In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to fix notes on Instagram not showing. Now, notes is a feature that is visible on your Instagram when you tap on the message section, which is on the top right. And in this section, you'll be able to see all of the notes that other people have added in. Notes would be visible even though you have any kinds of account, whether it be creator account, business account, or a personal account. So if this section is not showing up for you, there are a couple of things that you can do to solve this issue. The first thing that you can do is update your Instagram app. If you don't have the latest version of Instagram, you may not have the notes option. So open up your Play Store or the App Store and then search for Instagram. If there are any new updates available, you can tap on update and update your app. The second thing that you can also do is join the beta version of Instagram. So just tap on this Instagram logo, and in this section you'll have an option called join, which is the beta version. Beta versions are the latest and test versions of any kinds of applications which have all of the latest features included. So you can just tap on join and join the beta version of Instagram. Now once you do these steps, try to see if this fixes the issue. If it still does not fix the issue, the other thing that I suggest you to do, if you have multiple accounts added in on your Instagram, you can remove all of the accounts and only keep the accounts in which the notes feature is not showing up. So if you have multiple accounts added in, you can just head over to the settings, scroll down from here and tap on logout. So log out of each and every one of them and only keep one account in which the notes feature is not showing up. This is currently a glitch in Instagram where if you have multiple accounts added in, not all of them will have the features. So whenever you remove all of them and use that one account for a couple of days, and you should be able to see the notes option showing up. So after you do that, you just need to wait out a couple of days and keep using your Instagram as you normally do, and you should pretty much have the notes option showing up. So those are the steps that you can do in order to fix notes not showing on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos just like this.